all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your lead details into your CRM. So to do this, you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can add up to 100 lead details for free in your CRM. And today, to collect the lead details, I'm using Google Ads, and to add the lead details into a CRM, I'm using Zoho CRM. You can use any another application too, and if you want a video on the particular applications according to your need, you can ask them or request them in the comment section below. We'll definitely make sure to fulfill your request. So over here, this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button for the trigger application. Search for Google Ads and select Google Ads right over here. For the event, you have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign, and we have to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. For that, just scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this, paste the webhook URL in this webhook URL field. For the key, enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent, so open your workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly is going to capture this webhook response right over here, which will be the test details of our lead. So over here, you're going to see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response. So I'm running a draft campaign. That's the reason I'm going to create this automation using this lead details only. But if you wish to create this automation using the real lead details, click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead. But make sure that your campaign is in live mode for this. But I'll suggest you can create this automation using the test lead details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. Now let's add the lead details into a CRM. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Zoho CRM and select Zoho CRM right over here as your action application. For the event, select it as create contact and click on this connect. If you've already created a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me. Click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho CRM. It is asking for the domain, so open your Zoho CRM account and you're going to get the domain in the URL. After this, https://crm. and before /crm. So this is my domain, which is zoho.in. So I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here. Your domain can be anything from below. After pasting this domain, click on this save, and now Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So give Pabbly all the permissions. It is asking for your data is 100% safe with Pabbly and your Zoho CRM account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Select the lead source over here and then one by one enter the lead details. But don't enter the lead details manually by tapping it like this, but instead map it. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when you insert the data from the previous step, automatically your data turns dynamic and changes with every new response received. That's the reason I'm asking you to map the details right over here. So map the details which you have of your lead and make sure that you map the string value. Make sure that you map the last name and email because both of these are required. The rest of the details are not required, so you can leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Once we click on this save and send test request, we're going to receive the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in Zoho CRM. So let's open a Zoho CRM and we're going to refresh this contact list, and you're going to see a new contact is created in our Zoho CRM using the same lead details. With this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the lead details will be added in our CRM. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. And yes, go and try this amazing automation, and if you like Pabbly Connect, you can purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And if you wish a good discount, so you watch our YouTube video, so I'm just going to give you a discount coupon code and it is attached in the description box below, which is RITPC. You can use this discount coupon code to get heavy discounts on your plan which you're going to purchase of Pabbly Connect. So try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, you can definitely purchase it. The workflow URL of this workflow is also attached in the description box below. If you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comments. My team will look into that and help you with that. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.